I'm John Barker, this is Skull and Mortar, and today we're gonna put the Masterbuilt Auto Ignite to the test. We're gonna do the ultimate backyard burger. For today's cook, I'll be using Masterbuilt hardwood lump charcoal. And the first thing we wanna do is get this thing piping hot. So we're gonna set the temperature at 550 degrees. Now you're gonna go ahead and salt one side of this and hit it with some pepper too, and then you're gonna set the seasoned side down on your grill grates. Now at this point, if you haven't seasoned your other end, you're gonna wanna go ahead and season it with some salt and pepper as well. Season it to taste. It doesn't matter how little or how much, but in my experience, a little extra is usually a little better. Now somebody somewhere is gonna tell you that you're only supposed to flip your burgers a certain amount of times. I wholeheartedly disagree with that. I'm a gratuitous flipper, so I'm gonna gratuitously flip the crap out of these burgers. You flip yours as little or as much as you like. Now we've got our burgers at about the halfway point, so we're gonna go ahead and throw our onions on. I like to grill my onions because it takes away some of the bite and the acidity. It gives it like a softer, sweeter taste to the onion, and that's what I prefer with my burger. You can certainly skip this point if you want, but if you're gonna do it, go ahead and throw a little bit of salt and pepper on top of there. This is also the perfect time for you to go ahead and toast your buns. You don't want to have a soft bun here. It kind of protects the bun from all the juices and whatnot, and just gives you a heartier experience. Now we've had our burgers going for about 5-6 minutes at this point, so we're gonna go ahead and start saucing our buns. Now I made this burger sauce with 2 parts mayo, 1 part ketchup, 1 part hot spicy mustard, and 1 part relish. So that's all it is. It's basically like an upscaled kind of Big Mac-y sauce, and we're gonna go ahead and slam these down directly on both sides of our buns. Now we're gonna start dressing these here. We're gonna take some lettuce. You wanna break the lettuce. You want to fold it over and make sure that it fits completely on the bun so you get a nice fluffy lettuce without having it go all over the place. Next up, we're going to drop a big beefy piece of tomato. I like to use a tomato that fills up the whole bun. If you don't like tomato, leave it out, but to me the tomato is essential. Just adds like a fresh quality, you know what I mean? You bite into it, it's a fresh, crisp quality that really goes well with the fat of the burger. And of course, we got to hit it with a little bit of salt and pepper. Hit those spices, hit those seasonings, guys. It really is going to level up this burger overall. Now we want to attend to our onions here. I'm going to do an absolutely horrible job of flipping mine. You maybe are going to do a less amateur job, but God, for the love of God, I hope so you do better than I just did. I do not know what happened to my flipping skills here. Perhaps I never had them, but we're going to go ahead and flip these onions. And maybe jam some down below the grill grates even, you know, whatever. But we're also going to give our burgers another flip. Like I said, I'm going to gratuitously flip the crap out of these things. They're about done. I like where they're at right now. They got a great color. They're still juicy. We still got some of that myoglobin coming out, so we know they're not overdone. Now we're going to slam our patties down on top of these tomatoes. Now you might be saying that's a big ass tomato because these are 1/3 hamburger patties, and you would be correct. But what I need to do is convince my doctor that I had a salad for lunch, so that's where we're going with this salad on a burger. Now we are nearly to the final step as we're gonna start dropping the onions on these burgers. Again, the grilled onions are just gonna add such a nice flavor instead of that harsh bite. It's just going to be a great, nice onion flavor to these burgers. It's really going to take it to that next level. So if you've never put grilled onions on your burger before, go ahead and try and do it at least one time so you know what you've been missing your entire life. Now it's time to go ahead and top these burgers. We've gone ahead and put some more sauce on the top. You cannot have too much sauce here. Well, you probably could, but you're probably not going to put too much on there. And that literally is all you need for the perfect backyard burger. Guys, these burgers are super simple and literally anybody with a grill can do them. So go out and grab your grill, throw a burger on it, and make sure that if you need any seasonings, t-shirts, whatever, skullandmortar.com, and I'll see you soon with a brand new video.